Good morning, Wilson Creek students and staff. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. I am coming to you today from my office here at Wilson Creek, and I'm going to be doing the announcements today for the whole week. So you're going to see me in this same shirt, and I'm going to go to different places around Wilson Creek to do the announcements. So the announcements will look a little different this week. It won't be different places in my house, but it'll be different places in our school. Hello, hello to our Orange Whitson family. We miss all of you and hope you're doing well. Happy birthday today to Elizabeth Peters. Please stand and join me for our pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today I will do my personal best. What I do today will make a difference. I will listen. I will follow directions. I will be honest. I will respect the rights of others. I can learn. I will learn. All right, have a wonderful Monday, Wilson Creek, and don't forget to wish your teachers a happy Teacher Appreciation Week. Bye.